Today we're going to talk about the new Purkeys Multimeter kit. This is a kit that we put together for today's technician that includes not only a multimeter, but a clip-on ammeter and an infrared temperature gun. First piece of equipment we're going to talk about is the multimeter. This is the most common of the three tools that a technician is going to use. When we talk about a multimeter, we're talking about a meter that does multiple things. It's a voltmeter, it's an amp meter, it's an ohm meter. It does continuity check, diode check, capacitance check. One of the things that's very important whenever you have either our meter kit or your own meter kit is you have to make sure you understand what the limitations of your meter are. This particular meter will go up to 1,000 volts on AC or DC voltage. If you don't have a meter that's as good as this and your meter only goes to say 500, well, if you did try to check something that's above that, obviously it's going to give you no L reading. The next piece of equipment we're going to talk about is the clip-on ammeter. With this one, it is a very good, very accurate clip-on ammeter. That's the only thing it does. It has a 40 amp scale and a 400 amp scale. But for anything we're going to ever test on a truck or trailer, this does a wonderful job and it's very accurate. The third one we're going to talk about is the infrared gun. A lot of times people say, you know, for electrical, what do you have that for? All today's battery equipment asks you to put in the temperature of the battery. Well, obviously you can guess, but this does give you a much more accurate way to actually look at that battery and see what is that battery temperature at. As you can see, we did really put some thought into this and went through and made a good kit that will give a technician all the tools he needs to be able to do his diagnostic job properly.